That's what they call Corbett's Couloir. And it is definitely double black. Bring it on, Jen, let's go. What the fuck are you doing back here?
I'm too drunk.
You'll never get in.
Be careful.
Yeah.
I'm lit.
Oh yeah.
There's no fucking way.
Fucking hey, boys. Let's just jump in there right now. Jen, come here. I'll throw you in.
Jen, be careful. Oh, fuck. I can't even get closer right now.
It's a little soft.
Oh, fuck, Jen, be careful. I'm fucking sick.
Oh, it's just a simple plummet.
Oh, I'm getting away from there.
Yeah, no, I don't think so, guys. Not today. Not any day.
Alright, big talkers.
Get the fuck back. It's probably easier if you go in over there.
No, it's not. Come on,
Oh, no. Get back. Niels, get back. If that breaks away, we'll have to just throw your skis down to you. Holy, I gotta go find a place. Well, then go.
Don't push that hard.
That's right.
That's too fucking scary. Look, there's no one here.
Yeah. For good reason. This is just a myth. Corbett's Couloir, not. Not today, not ever.